When you go past now, you see that bridge coming out of the water and going across the river. It is a beautiful thing to see. Because it's not just about the Tappan Zee Bridge. When I see that bridge, you know what it says? Yes, we can.
Welcome to the new New York Bridge project. We're pleased to present to you today an overview of the construction activities to date.
After years of dysfunction, Governor Andrew Cuomo moved the project forward to construction in 2011. The key to its growing success is its modular design. Workers across the East Coast prepare large sections of the bridge and ship them to the project site for installation, making for a quicker construction process on the Hudson River. Most of the materials are organized and even assembled at New York locations such as Tompkins Cove and the Port of Queens in Albany County.
The Port of Queens is also supporting the staging and delivery of other critical bridge components, including the bearings, thousands of precast deck panels, and electrical and mechanical systems. So although the port is over 100 miles from our new bridge, it plays a key piece of the puzzle in creating the largest bridge in the state of New York.
The operations are carried out in close coordination with the rest of the project team as the steel arrives at the facility as individual beams, which are then joined together into 400-foot segments. The utility and piping systems for the new bridge are also installed in the assemblies before they are sent directly to the project site. After a 12-hour trip down the Hudson, the assemblies are handed over to the crew behind the project's super crane.
When I came aboard this vessel, I was astonished at how large it was compared to other cranes that I've run before. I could put 10 cranes on this barge alone, and I just wasn't prepared for the size of it.
I-Lift New York is the largest machine on the project. Its incredible lifting capabilities allow the project team to prepare large segments of the bridge for installation, saving thousands of hours of work, creating a safer work environment on the Hudson River. With miles of blue girders already in place above the Hudson River, the project team is moving forward with the next crucial section of the bridge, the new roadway. More than 6,000 interlocking concrete panels are being installed to create the roadway, with every inch covered in a polymer overlay to ensure a durable and safe ride for drivers. Work on the panels will progress out from the county shorelines toward the center of the river, where the largest and most iconic aspects of the bridge are already taking shape. Crews are working 24/7 on the bridge's iconic main span towers, adding layers of concrete and steel in rising segments with the assistance of mobile workspaces called jump forms. These blue boxes allow the team to safely assemble materials and pour concrete before jumping up to the next section.
And once that concrete has had a chance to cure, which is usually a day or two, then we'll strip the forms off. We'll clean up the face, and then we'll start the cycle all over again and climb the forms up to the next level.
The main span towers continue to rise hundreds of feet above the river, requiring workers to climb a series of staircases every day. But crews aren't alone at the top of the towers. Each site is assisted by a bright red tower crane that delivers key materials and equipment. The team has overcome many challenges together in just a few short months, including the installation of enormous connective beams, which will support the new road deck. 700 tons of materials were placed by I-Lift New York with incredible precision and connected to the towers with the careful coordination of multiple project crews. As work progresses higher and higher, the team's commitment to safety continues to be its #1 priority.
Here at the Tappan Zee Bridge project, our motto is, take zero chances. This simply means that all of our members, individual employees, are empowered to stop any unsafe act they see or are asked to perform. This policy has enabled us to maintain our low recordable incident rate, which is well below the national standard for a project of this size and scope.
Building a pair of 3-mile bridges across the Hudson River is an enormous undertaking, particularly with the challenging weather conditions that often exist on the water. Ensuring the safety of workers and the public continues to be the top priority on the project as the bridge begins to take its final shape.
The big challenge that we have is with stay cables. We've got miles and miles of stay cables, and the stay cables range in number of strand and diameter.
Commuters can already see the transition to the modern crossing taking place in both Westchester and Rockland counties. The switch to cashless tolling has eliminated the need for toll plazas, helping traffic move more smoothly across the Hudson. New noise-reducing barriers are also under construction, with designs that were influenced by local community members. Their input can also be seen in the proposed bicycle and pedestrian paths, as well as the path's landings in both counties. And in order to better serve the community, the project also began construction on new facilities for bridge maintenance teams and local state troopers. Both buildings will provide immediate access for emergency crews and vehicles on the new bridge.
As you can see, the project is well on its way. Over the coming months, you can expect to see a lot more of the signature span coming together right before your eyes. The new New York Bridge is an historic undertaking, and we are glad for you to be a part of it.